Okay, super short correction to number 5. In the review, when I first wrote it, there was a plus 12 and it should have been a minus 12. That makes the problem work correctly. So here's a revised number 5. Basically, and I said this in the other video, the thing that you need to focus on is that 5x times this number is going to give you 40x squared. The first terms multiply together to give you that first term of the trinomial. The 5x times that number and the 3 times that number are going to give you the 4x. And then 3 times, I want this to be a different color, 3 times this number is going to give you the negative 12. So the first thing is 5x times something has to give us 40x squared. 5x times 5x is going to be 25x. So it's definitely not either of those. It has to be 8x. So we know that that number is 8x. Then 3 times something has to give us negative 12. That would have to be negative 4. So it's that one. And if you want to check it then, 5x times 8x is 40x squared. 5x times, oops, I did that in the wrong place. 5x times that is negative 20x. 3 times 8x is positive 24x. And 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. So I wanted to put that in the other color. And then that would add together to give us 40x squared plus 4x minus 12, which is what we originally started with, now that I've made that correction. So the correct answer is 8x minus 4.